Okay, guys, so here is another product that I absolutely love. We don't use this in the Airbnb just simply because you never know what might be on the floor over there, that kind of thing. But we do have two in the main house, and the reason we have them, of course, is Piper. And if you've ever had a golden retriever, you know they shed 365 days a year. Now, we do have her groomed, especially during the summertime, and give her summertime cut, and she goes through they do a shedding process on her and all that kind of stuff, but she still loses a lot of hair. This thing is amazing. We've got one upstairs and we've got one downstairs, and we set it to run. This one runs at 9:30 at night, and then the one upstairs runs first thing in the morning because we get up early. But this particular shark model, it has rollers underneath that do not, it's designed for pet hair, and it does not wind the pet hair up on it where you have to cut it off and clean it off. Plus, it empties itself into the container, and it's very easy to empty that container, but you can forget this for like 2 weeks, and then it'll tell you, it'll send you a message on the app that the container needs to be emptied. When this thing forgets to run, or battery runs out, or it gets stuck somewhere in my house and it hasn't run for 2 days, it is amazing how much dog hair I see on the floor. But if it runs every single day, it's perfect for the daily maintenance. And then, you know, the once a week deep clean is what I do with the big vacuum cleaner. Absolutely amazing. If you've got kids, husbands, and dogs, you need this. I wanted to show you what this thing collects. It doesn't have to be emptied for several days. I think some of the ads say up to 14 days, but when you have a golden retriever, that can be more frequently. And this is what's inside of there. Piper. And she gets brushed almost every single night. It's crazy. But it's very easy to change and clean out, and I'll brush this out and put it right back into place again.